Good morning, Orchard Owls. So we've been talking in class about adding and subtracting decimals. You've seen the video on adding decimals that I made. Now it's time to look at subtracting, because subtracting decimals can be pretty complex. Let's imagine we have, let's say 2 and 5/10 minus 1 and 7/10. And we're going to learn how to do this on the place value chart. So let's draw a place value chart. There's my decimal. Here's my tenths place. Here's my hundredths. And here's my ones. And here's my tenths. So we're subtracting, once again, you're subtracting 2 and 5/10 minus 1 and 7/10. So let's do this. Let's start with the first number, 2 and 5/10. We're going to look at the whole number, which is 2. So we need to make 2 little dots in the ones place because 2 is in the ones place. We have 2 ones. And now we have how many tenths? 5/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, we have 2 and 5/10. Now remember, this spot right here is a decimal. So you can see we have a decimal, 2 and 5/10. I have 2 ones and 5/10. We're taking away from that 1 and 7/10. So now it's time for us to draw that. How many ones do we have? Right, 1. How many tenths? 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can see we have 1 decimal for and 7/10. So now it's time for us to subtract this. So when we subtract a number, basically what we're doing is we have 7 dots that we need to take away in the tenths place. So we're going to do that. We're going to take 7, we're going to take these 7 dots away from our original number, 2 and 5/10. So let's do it. Take 1 away here, take 1 away up there. Get rid of 1. 1, 1. 3, 3. So you can see I'm just taking it away. Oh, I ran into a problem. As you can see is I've taken 4 away. I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've taken 5 away. And I have 2 more I need to take away from the tenths place, but I have no numbers left in the tenths place. So what we have to do is borrow, just like we would in any other problem. We're going to borrow from the ones place. And we know 10/10 makes 1 1. So 10/10 makes a 1 in the ones place. So we're going to borrow from that, and we're going to make 10 dots in the tenths place because we know 1 1 is equal to 10 tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we can get rid of this guy because we basically unclumped that and moved it into the tenths place. So 10 of these put together is what made the 1. Now we've taken it back apart and it's making 10 tenths. Now back to getting rid. We got to get rid of that one, get rid of that one, get rid of that one, get rid of that one. So now let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 of them left. So we're going to write an 8 down here. Get rid of decimal. Now to the ones place. We start out with 2 ones, but we borrow. So now that 1 is over here. So now we need to see, we take 1 1 away. So if we take 1 1 away, we have 0 in the ones place. So our answer is 8/10. Let's see if this is correct. Let's see. 7 minus 5 I cannot do. So I need to make that into 1 because I'm borrowing and make this into 15. 15 minus 7 equals, let's see, 8. Yes. Carry my decimal down. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8/10, 8/10, same answer. That's how you do it.